Welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to talk about why learning Microsoft Excel is still crucial in today's fast-paced digital world. Imagine this scenario: you've got tons of data scattered all over different files and folders. It's a real mess, and you're wasting valuable time trying to make sense of it all. That's where Microsoft Excel comes to the rescue. It's a powerful and versatile tool that can help you organize, analyze, and visualize your data effortlessly. Excel lets you sort and filter your data with just a few clicks. No more scrolling through endless rows to find what you need. And don't worry about complex calculations. Excel's formulas and functions do the heavy lifting for you, making number crunching a breeze. Need to present your data in a visually appealing way? Excel's got your back with impressive charts and graphs that bring your numbers to life. Plus, Excel is available across multiple platforms. Whether you're on your PC, tablet, or smartphone, you can access and edit your spreadsheets anytime, anywhere. So, why learn Excel nowadays? Because it saves you time, helps you make better decisions, and boosts your productivity. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more helpful content. Happy Excel learning!